guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you guys with a new unit from the Outre Melted Hairline Swirlista collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Swirl 103 and the color number 2. So my first impression straight out of the box, you guys, I was really feeling this one, especially because I knew I wasn't going to have to go in and do any plucking. The hairline on this one was looking divine. The curl pattern is looking super beautiful. This is what the stock card for her looks like. And this one is going to be available in 7 special colors. So as far as the cap construction for this one, you are going to get a 5-inch deep C-shaped parting. You're going to get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps, and it does also come with a pre-attached elastic band. It does say that this wig is glueless, but I had to go and use some adhesive for it. This one was also made on a mesh wig cap. So here's what it's looking like on the mannequin. This one is also going to be 22 inches and the texture on it is like a dried out yaki, which I'm not mad at. And this is definitely going to be one for the girls that like big hair don't care, because this one, the density is at least 180%. Now I'm just showing you guys my The Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place, and I did go in and just use that eyeshadow in the color Yoded. So here's what it's looking like as I'm just popping it right on my head. This unit is going to be heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Look how that's looking on my head, not glued down, nothing at all. So I definitely do think I would have been able to wear this unit glueless if I didn't go in and finesse the sideburns. But I just really liked how the look came together when doing the sideburns. As far as the cap size on this one, it's definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. If you do have a larger size head, this one could be a bit of an issue for you because there wasn't a crazy amount of stretch to the cap. And my head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference and is fitting my head very nicely. So now I'm just going to go and cut that sideburn down. Another thing to note, you guys, I did not have to go in and do any plucking or anything like that. I can't believe how well it's coming together with nothing but that eyeshadow underneath the lace. It's just the blend already without even melting it down. It's just really, really nice. The hairline looks beautiful with no work done. They absolutely did their thing when it came to this one. I just wanted to go in and cut off that additional lace so I can get it to sit much better on my head. So now I'm just going to go in with my melt and slice spray just to get that lace adhered all the way down. Just like I said, I didn't necessarily feel like I needed it for the whole perimeter of the head. It was more so just so that the sideburns weren't slipping down and everything. And I just felt like adding a little bit of additional spray around the hairline just to get it blended down even more. And now I'm just kind of getting my baby hairs together and combing these ones into the hairline because I wanted to do as minimal baby hairs as possible, just because y'all know I've been straying away from the baby hairs more recently. Now I'm just going to go in with my cute little clip just to give a little pop to the style of it, because as you guys can see, it's pretty much just all one length, so I feel like the clip kind of just adds to the whole look of it. One of the things I really liked about this unit is that it was super easy and quick for me to get it together. As you guys can see in real time, like I really did not do too much work aside from just cutting off the lace and like pulling out the sideburn and cutting it down. But other than that, I feel like it was pretty much good to go out of the box. So I feel like this is definitely going to be a beginner friendly wig. So now I'm just going to go in with my eyeshadow from the Warrior 2 palette and just continue putting it around the perimeter of the hairline, which I didn't feel like was crazy necessarily, just because how I have it styled, the hair is going to fall over the lace anyway, but you know, just to be safe in case the wind were to blow or anything like that. And now I'm just going in with my Simply Stylin' Pure Silicone Spray just to get those baby hairs into the hairline and then to just give a little bit more of that texture back to the hair, because of course the more that you finesse the curls, it's gonna start getting big and frizzy. So I wanted to avoid that because I think these curls are very beautiful. I really like the kinky curly style. So as far as my cons on this unit, I honestly can't say I have any cons whatsoever. So when it comes to my pros on this unit, I really like the hairline. I feel like the hairline was beautifully executed. I like that I was able to finesse that little sideburn situation. The density is beautiful, the length. The curl pattern is beautiful, it's very realistic. It was absolutely a throw on and go, which I am always here for. And as a whole, I just really like this unit, you guys. I honestly can't say I have any cons when it comes to it. I didn't really have my hopes super high when it came to this unit, and I feel like it absolutely exceeded my expectations. Hair quality, density, texture, hairline was my #1 selling point when it came to this unit. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.